welcome to our video. We're going to open this big kitchen sink, and the water actually comes out of the sink.
It does. What does it come with?
It comes with cups, spoons, and forks, and soap. Plates, a big can of soap, a brush, and also some cups.
Alrighty.
Start to opening it now.
It's time to open it.
Uh-oh, we need this. Okay, we're back. Okay, let's open it. Oh, what? I didn't know this was included. Oh man, we have to.
What does it need? Batteries?
No. It doesn't need any batteries. So you don't need batteries on this. Good thing it comes with instructions. It's not my sister. I got this. Oh, it comes with a washer. This is the washer.
Is that the dryer that you dry your dishes with?
Yes. Because this is.
I think it does need batteries. Let's see. Oh, hello.
And the base. Hang on. There's tape.
Okay, guys. It does need batteries. Right in here is where you are going to install your batteries, and that's what we are going to do.
Yeah. You pause it.
Okay, so the instructions call for 2 AA batteries.
2 AA.
Right here, and that is what we are going to go ahead and take this out. Take the screws out. Always make sure that you have a parent supervision when you have to use any kind of tools or
because you might kill yourself.
scissors. No, you're not going to kill yourself. You might injure yourself, though.
What is injured me, Mommy?
You might get hurt.
You might cut yourself like I did, but that was, we didn't do that on the video. So we are just going to try, what are we going to do yet? Now, pick them. Mommy, we have to pour water now.
So once your batteries are back in, you are going to stick the faucet part
on
of the toy into here. Okay, girls, hand me the faucet, please.
Where's the faucet?
It's the little, there we go.
That's it.
Okay.
Mommy, you actually need water. You need water for this.
I know.
And
Okay, and it says insert until you hear a clicking sound.
okay, let's put it in now. You put it in wrong. Oh, look at that.
There we go. So it fits nicely, just like that, into the sink.
Okay, let's pour water.
Okay, and then once you have the faucet inserted, you are going to pour water up into the line that it has in the very back. And the girls have gotten us some water. Let's see.
That's not enough.
All right, we need some more water, Charlie.
Charlie's bringing me another cup. Make sure this is not a real knife. That's fake.
Or you would cut yourself.
Yeah. Like.
No, that would not be good. That would be terrible. All right, let us get some more water. We are going to.
More water.
All right, we got some more water.
Yeah. Ooh, that sprayed me, guys. Is it
Okay, almost to the line. Alrighty, I think that's good.
No.
Okay?
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Now we are going to put the top back on.
And we need to put everything into there. Into the sink. Oh, not the hole. They won't go into the hole, Charlie. It's okay, Charlie. I'm really scared they're going to go in the hole. So let's just.
Oh, look. It really goes. So now you can wash your dishes.
Let's show how wash them. Yeah.
Just like your mommy and daddy do, huh?
Yeah, and the water comes off, and back on. Let's wash them. We have to scrub them with this, Charlie.
guys. We gotta share. And then when you're done, where do you put them?
Back in
Over here to dry, huh?
Yeah.
That's a pretty cool sink, and it can help teach you
How to
responsibilities and chores, huh?
Charlie, put it back on. Welcome. Bye. Thank you for watching this video. Give us a big thumbs up. And hit that bell button.